guys, yes, we know me I don't want come, but leave it alone. Welcome back to V-La-Nessa. Now today I'll be showing you all of my essential stuff that I'll be taking with me on my trip. And if you have not yet watched my pack my suitcase with me video, please go and check it out. Yeah, as I said, don't follow this one, follow this one, right? Yeah, so watch that video. You see why I pack the way that I pack and how I pack. Watch this one to show you how you should pack, right? Because I think I went a bit overboard on this one, but yeah. So today I'm just going to show you all of my necessities that I want to carry to put in the suitcase and how I am carrying them. But before I get into the video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so that when I release a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you've always been coming back and you have not yet subscribed, we are upon it free, free free. So subscribe. 81% of you guys just watching my video not subscribing. I don't know why. So just subscribe. The fact that you keep coming back, just subscribe. Okay. Yeah. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so as I said, it's my essential bag. So I have this bag and this one, and those stuff cannot hold, so I'm just gonna put them somewhere in the suitcase. So yeah, so even before this, like some of the stuff that I'm not gonna show right now is like my camera and my laptop. Them the essential, but I'm talking like, you know, really essential stuff. So those are going to be in there. This bag is full of a lot of stuff, right? I don't need to carry them all, but the girl is on a saving mission. If I don't have to buy anything, I'll buy it, you understand? And the fact that I'm just going to leave them here anyway, nobody use them, might as well just carry it and use them and then just replace them with new stuff. Alright, so first you have to have your toothbrush. Now I went and I bought this one at a Chinese store, I think about $100 and something, nearly $200, and when I have the new toothbrush, I'm gonna work with the old toothbrush, and so this one buy this. I plan to buy one of the oral care toothbrush, the electric one. So this is good for now, just to carry over. I have a cologne, my friend bought me this one. Yeah, I don't even remember the brand, but yeah, got this. It smells really nice, so I'm just gonna bring it. It's new. I got this set. It's a brown sugar set, so I'm just gonna bring it. You know, girl, it smell good and it smells really good, so I'm gonna bring these. If you have a toothbrush and a toothpaste, it makes sense. We don't need all them, you know, just in case, because I don't know if I'm gonna go straight into work, so I may not have time to go to Walmart. So I'm just bring everything that I need, so that when we go over there, my mouth not have to smell bad or me not wanting nothing. You understand? So I bring in toothpaste, and I brought two because I have this small travel pack one, and then this one. So and then that I have allergies. Oh, okay. And if you bring toothpaste and toothbrush, might as well bring the mouthwash. You understand? Yeah, and if you're gonna bring all of them something there, bring your floss. So oral care, yeah, oral care, because you don't want nobody smelling breath. So oral care. So that's it for mouth. And now I have allergies, so I bring in this First Defense. It's actually come from England, so whenever I get it, I'm gonna bring it. So just in case, like my stuffy, you know, say you're gonna want new environment, new weather and everything, so you know, say you might get flu or you might get cold or you have allergies or something. So I'm bringing this First Defense. Also bringing my DPH. Girl, bring your DPH. If you're sicky, I'm not sicky now, but just in case, because I'm going into a new environment, I'm going to take it, right? And then if you're taking this, might as well take some headache pill. Remember, you don't need this, but girl just want to be safe. I'm going to go to work. I'm going to leave the 28th, clean the workplace the 29th. No. I'm going to leave here the 27th, and then we're going to go to the workplace the 28th, and then clean up, fix up whatever needs to be fixed up, and then open the 29th. So girl, not on no time, you're going to worry, understand? So take this just in case. Okay, we're still on feminine stuff, so I need to bring my deodorant. Now this is a new one, I never tried it before. It's a coconut flavor one. I normally take the powder scented one, but this one smell good. I never have the powdered one, so I'm just buy this. It smell good, so I'm happy to use this. Also have this travel size mint, travel size mint. I have this Idol soap. I brought two because I don't know, it's just good for my face and everything. Like if I have spots and so forth, I want to start using to get rid of the spot them. So and the bump them not come up neither. So I bought two of this, but I was using it the other day because girl needs to fix up herself, you know, fine. And then I went back the other day, they only had the small one, so I bought these two. You can bathe with this and you can wash your face with this, but I'm just gonna use both of them to wash my face. You understand? So now you're going to work and you know say you no one smell like if you're going to the bathroom, maybe no one then you want to, you know, spice up stuff. I carry, you know, body wash, like we're not gonna bathe it, but can use it to wash your hands. And I have this body spray, is Ted Baker, yeah. So this, you know, just gonna patch and come back out to the customers, yeah. And then wherever you go, you have to carry a guide with you. I got this consecrated olive oil. You have to bring it with me, you know, just in case you need to. Yeah, consecrated olive oil. Anything can happen, so I just bring it. I'm actually in the bag and I'm just emptying it out. And then I have lip balm, because you know when you're in the cold, your lip I got cracky. So we have two lip balm. I have this one is really good. And then this one is very flavorful and tasty and nice. And I just like this too, so I brought two of this. I actually got this from over there. It was like in a case that I was working at someone's house and she had a case of them and I took some. So yeah. Now I bring this little cotton, travel size cotton and earbuds. Yeah, like that. And in here I have my sanitary napkins, like you know, you have a tampon and panty shield and the regular size something. So bring this just in case. Say it may come down and we now get to go Walmart or anything, because I think I would really want to rather shop in Walmart than any other place there. So bring this just in case. No accident, no nothing. So I have my tweezer and my nail clip there somewhere. So bring your nail clip and tweezer. Tweezer just in case you have like something you need to tweeze out here. Nail clip to cut your fingernails. And I have this. I don't know why I bring it, but I bring it because girl, the part of slim belly waist. Yeah, big up. Yeah, I'm going to, you know, work on my belly, and then as I go along, I'm just gonna size up my belly and then trust me and lose the inches. Right. Girl, now I'm planning to spend no money, no extra money, so girl, I bring her things. And then I have a comb, and I have the big teeth comb. I don't know which part of it right now, but I'm not ready for packet yet. But when I pull out my hair and braids and so forth, big teeth comb for comb it. This for lay my edges, yeah. And I don't know which part to brush there, so I'm carrying this, yeah. And then carrying a little bit of Gorilla Glue for the edges. As I say, all of this they're over there. You need to carry so much girl to snuff, but me just like carry it just in, you know say them wicked, you know? Like it gel just the right down yourself, right down yourself, you know? Oh God. Nothing up here, so that's right as I gel there. I'm paid touch that 50 feet, right as I did, but not exaggerate. Like the right, so what are people wicked? No man, anyway, it's for the edges. For the edges, you know, it won't move. It won't move. So I brought this and then I have my bonnet, of course, you know, to put the hair in, make sure say hair all neat for the one stem of the day. And yeah, that's it. I have this little sample stuff, but yeah, that's it. I'm gonna bring jerkins too because I use the jerkins right now because we're gonna try to take care of our legs. So I bought it the other day and it's called healing skin. Now let me tell you, in the cold, when you go reach in the cold, your foot I go cracky and dry, and the only way my skin, you know, heal from it is using jerkins. And you know, probably if you try it, it will work for you. But jerkins, yeah, I'm going to bring this out. I'm going to do on my last day. I'm going to squeeze it down and lock it. But for now, I'm using it the right here, so I still have a lot in there. So I wanted the big buckle, but girl I got for it and girl I carry everything off for. Like, in this way that makes sense. And girl, guys, yes, we know me. I don't want to come, but leave it alone. Yeah. So I just like to be prepared. Most of these stuff now I carry back anyway. Whatever is in my suitcase, now I carry back. I need to put this in my bag carry on. Now I carry back the clothes them, so might as well just carry them and just wear them while we're there. And then if I do feel like to buy stuff, buy it and get rid of the one them that we don't need. You understand? Watcha, everything fit, guys. Let me see if we can not know that is the problem. So that's that. So here you go. Here you go. That's that. Like, guys, that just surprised me. I never know that almost everything would fit in that bag. Yes, when I know if you park. Anyway, guys, alright, so those are my essential stuff. Listen, you don't have to carry those stuff, but that's what I'm carrying. Alright, don't follow the videos. Don't follow these two last videos. Don't follow them. I got friend, you don't need them. I know why I'm doing it. It's for a reason. Okay? So, if you reach this far in the video, what are you waiting on? You know, subscribe and comment purple down below. Purple down below. Just want to know if you watch out my video to the end. Yeah, and you know, for the first name, I keep notes. I am keeping notes. But yeah, that's what I'm carrying. Thank you for watching. Please go back and watch my packing video. Go back and watch how to apply for H2B. Go back and watch, you know, how to do your resume. See you later. Bye.